Welcome back to the studio. This is another episode of Painting Passports. I'm working in the North American Songbirds book. We have done the Western Bluebird. We have done the American Cardinal. And now I'm doing the Red-Winged Blackbird. I am using this stencil because I'm a glutton for punishment. I like to struggle with my artwork as much as possible. That's what I think is happening here. So I am going to draw this time with a mechanical pencil so I can see it. And maybe this will work, maybe it will be poop. I have no idea. Let's see, where are we? Woo! Lord have mercy, that's gonna be busy, isn't it? You know what Chase said? Chase said, don't do it, Rio. Don't make the background crazy. Just don't do it. It's okay, just don't do it. You know what I did? I was like, oh no. Hold my beer. It can't be this size because this size competes with this size competes with the size of the foliage in the thing already. Okay, so let's get in here and get started on some of this. Let's see if we can't fix some of this. There's that. There's that. There's that. There's that one. That leaf is in front of. Some of these leaves are behind. So we're gonna go ahead and draw on with some of this. You know, my quest the quest I've been on is to loosen up my paint strokes. I don't have to be this photorealistic painter every day of my life. I don't have to do that. So I'm trying to offer myself some relief from that stress. I don't know if it's working, but I'm trying. Wow, that I didn't expect. I didn't expect that to be so light. There we go. Okay, and so then, you know, like we have some leaves that are just sort of, you know, turned out and doing their own thing here. This is like sagebrush. I swear it's like sage. It feels like sage. I'm going to come in here and just roughly lay in these leaves here. The foot is going over that. There's some leaves here up against the bird. There's a leaf right here up against his foot. And then I've drawn all this extra chaos because I like chaos. I like living in the realm of what was I thinking, apparently. Here's another leaf right here. This one curls right here. This one will curl here. That one there. This one curls here, and then is this, and then there's this and this. I don't know what's happening here. I can tell you this though. That background has got to go. It is not working. I don't know who it's working for, but it ain't working for us. I can tell you that. That background is not working for us. It's not going to be a good one. It's got to go. It's got to go. So what else do we have here? We know that those wings are about as red as they come. So I just painted the cardinal, so all of my red is over here, hanging out by itself. So I feel like I probably should paint a dark red first on the wings. Look at that, even drew over my own wings here. Silly me, silly, silly me. Let's do that. And then we'll come in with this nicer red here and be like, oh, look at that. Look, we just added some highlight. Oh, look. Look, I've got highlight on there, Rio. That's what I wanted. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, that's so nice. Okay, so there's your reds. I'm literally attempting for this to not take 900 hours. That would be great. Do you know what I'm saying? So, you know, just the whole, let's not drag it out for forever. I'm also kind of feeling like this bird isn't black. He's blue. He's blue. So that's there. This is here. I'm using this dark, this is number 764. It's gonna read like purple for a minute, but then we're gonna put some other colors in there and it's gonna just work out just fine, you'll see. Just trust me. Putting in all that, that's a super dark plant right there. Because he has got it going on. Look how purple that's reading. Goodness gracious. Gracious. Oh yeah, look at that. That's a great color. That goes up here. This goes here where he's got some highlighting on his little face. Oh yeah. This is gonna look terrible at first. It's just really not gonna look good. You're just gonna have to trust me on this. We are definitely killing the vibe of the background here because it is awful. It is not okay. It is just not okay. Wow, these colors are just hideous together. Really and truly hideous together. I mean, really, wow. Okay, that sounded like a bird hitting the window. All right, now I'm gonna grab this. Oh wow, that is something. That's got to get darkened. That's got a highlight on it. You know. Yep, don't judge me. It looks terrible right now. I may or may not be able to pull this off. I really still don't know. The jury is completely out right now. With no clear indication that this is even going to work. Seen a bunch of red-winged blackbirds lately because we've been on the lake a lot lately. I have a greater appreciation for them now that they're in the book and I see them out in the wild. I find myself studying them more. Okay, well that's really ridiculous. That's not good. Huh. Yeah, so about the background, it's going to have to be a no. It's just terrible. The background is just terrible. I need more color. I do for real need more color. For real. So let's just put a little bit of that there and a little of that there. Yeah, okay. That's working. What if we draw a circle behind him and like, you know, kind of do it like the sun or something? I don't even know. I like the whole Art Deco thing, but I don't really like where this is going at this point. It's hard. It's truly hard. I put a little color on some of these. See, I have completely altered my perception of this because I insisted upon drawing on the thing. Now, I have to find my kneadable eraser, which I have no idea where it is. Oh, here it is. So that I can attempt to get rid of this thing that is plaguing me. Sorry, I'm looking at to erase this. I don't like it. It's just too much. It's too much. It's too much. I mean, maybe it would work if, you know, it was like super, super light. But wowza. Feels like too much chaos to me. Too much. It's part of my kneadable eraser. I pull it out every once in a while and use it. It's kind of fun to play with too. It's hard to choose the colors that are necessary to make this work. Where's the black? That's not black. That's a dark brown. Oh, look at that. That kind of works there. Okay. Okay. That's not terrible. We might be getting onto something here. like has a, I don't know what's happening here, feel. I don't even know where the black is. What happened to the black? Because that's brown. I don't even know what's going on. I have no idea what's happening now. Really and truly, no idea what's happening now. Whoa, look at that. Look at that color. That's great. Yep, that's a great color. All right. So maybe I need to come in here with some watercolor. Maybe the watercolor is next. I'm usually just kind of, I don't know. Where is my watercolor sample pages? Right here. So let's activate some of this stuff here. I don't know what color to paint the background. The safe thing is always going to be the blue, always, because it's a blue-black, or doing a yellow. A yellow in the background might be cool. Yellow might be really pretty. Candy yellow, let's see. I don't know. I don't know if the yellow is a good idea or not. We're gonna give it a go. We're just gonna try. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. I kind of don't know. Because I feel like I've got to have some background color on this. I just feel like I'm going to lose the painting if I don't have background color on this. I'm just painting the whole thing. I'll go over all the areas that are necessary after the fact. That's not terrible. That's not bad at all. Okay. I like this watercolor paint, y'all. We've still got some of it available on the website too. It works real nice in this. It works real well. It's not terrible. Oh, it actually is quite nice. Is it though? I don't know. Sometimes I think I'm full of shit. Completely. Candy orange. Let's see if what this one does. You put a couple of drops in, you activate the paint, and then you go. You know? I don't know if the yellow is a good idea or not. I'm just putting it in. I just don't know. Might be terrible. Might be an absolute terrible idea. Well, it's not awful. I don't really like it. I'm not very good at the backgrounds. I'm telling you right now. I want to be like this great pop art. You know, it's got hot pink outlines around it and it's all the fun colors and it just looks spectacular and everyone's in awe and they're like, oh my gosh, look what she did. Yeah, that doesn't happen sometimes. That's why I made the books, so I could practice. And then I thought, well, if I want to practice, maybe you want to practice too. So maybe we can practice this together. And it won't be so traumatic. The trauma. Yeah, I don't like that at all. Wow, that was terrible. So the yellow now comes in front of all of my stuff. And maybe I should have just stuck with the blue. Instead of trying to be all fanciful. Maybe the pink would have been a better idea. You know, that boho pink color. I think this pink's got some titanium in it. We have some titanium. I think we're gonna make some paint with it. Oh. Is that better or worse? Can't tell. Can't really tell the vibe. Wow. It's awful. Okay, I'm just gonna smudge it out and just hope for the best. We're gonna put that down because I'm serving no purpose here with that. So there's that. That's kind of cool. I feel like it probably does need something around the outside edge of that. I just don't know what. I mean, what? Seriously, what do I outline the edge of this with? The green did not work at all. It was too transparent. That's a terrible idea. The pink, terrible idea. Wow, that's awesome. Let's just spread the love there. See if we can lift that up. Well, it's not terrible. Yeah, and I have managed to paint the whole eyeball. Great. 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 Great job, Rio. Great job. Well, it's not terrible, terrible, awful. Total disappointment. It's not a total fail. I simply don't know what the right answer is. Yep, should have listened to Chase. Don't do the background, he said, Rio. Don't do it. Don't do the background. Okay, so low-key, that does kind of look better there, I think. I'm coming in here with just this green, and I'm just globbing it wherever I want to. Trying to kill the problems I have created for myself. I I know that this is a leaf, and this is a leaf, and this is a leaf. Yeah. So I'm supposed to be painting this all sagey, and I'm just not because I picked the wrong colors. That's what happens sometimes. Sometimes you just choose the absolute wrong colors, and that's exactly what I did. Then I'm kind of wondering, what happens if I make this blue? What happens if I just go, you know, maybe the background should just be blue? Y'all, I'm telling you right now, I'm not very good at this. I'm really good at making the books. I'm not so great at actually understanding how to paint these, because I want more excitement. I want I want there to be, I want to see, oh, that's what it needs. I'm telling you, I think I just need to start painting all of these with the hot pink colors first, and then going over the top of them with that. That's crazy, right? Oh, wow. That's gonna be fun. Okay, so I'm doing it. I'm going all in. I just don't care. Just going all in. And then I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna paint over all these again and leave some of that pink showing, because I like the pink. I don't know what my deal is with pink lately, but I sure do like it. I got a dry's leg in there again. You know, it's kind of jacked. So, there's that. Ooh, look, this is hot pink too. Where's the fluorescent orange? Orangey. Where's the fluorescent orangey? Seriously, there's no fluorescent orange? I mean, I find that so hard to believe. I have fluorescent orange right here. Oh, I'm starting to like this a lot. Okay, so here's the thing. I'm gonna figure this out. I'm gonna figure out my new art style. It can't just be photorealism all the time. It just makes me crazy. I don't want to paint photorealism all the time. I want to paint fun, beautiful, yummy, delicious colors. I want to make stickers out of those yummy, delicious colors. I don't want to be boring. I want to be wild. You know, within reason. Within parameters. You know, not too crazy. You know what I'm saying? Woo, look at that. That's some fluorescent stuff going on right there too. Oh yeah, I like that a lot. See, I don't think that the bird is hard. I think the background is hard. Because I have to paint colors that you just absolutely are not going to see in this. I mean, that's just all there is to it. You're never gonna see those colors in this. It's not gonna happen. So there you are. So then do I paint the sage in these colors? Ooh, ooh. I hear the quails outside talking. That's too dark. That's too dark. So maybe I use this. Where was that at? I do like that color though, 70. So then let's go back in and grab some of this and try to solve some of these problems here. Oh, see, I like that. I'm not hating this decision. That's so good. That's good. Yeah, I like it. I like that a lot, actually. I don't know. I don't know if it's good. I don't know if it's poop. Sometimes it's really, those lines crisscross at intersections that I just can't explain sometimes. So, who knows? Okay, well, I don't hate it. So that is a improvement from where we usually are with these sorts of things, where I'm like, yep, hate it, hate every bit of it. No idea what I'm doing. Can't see this type of art. Just can't see it. Just can't get it done. Okay. Okay. That's it for another episode of Painting Passports. We did the Red-Winged Blackbird. I'm Rio, and I'll see you on the next page.